Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Bang & Olufsen BEOSOUND Moment and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having issues with connectivity where things are not connecting properly or not responding or not working, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just if you're trying to set this up on a brand new speaker system or something like that, this factory reset will let you just clear everything off of it so you can set it up like you're just taking it out of the box for the first time. And it's really easy to do, especially if the jukebox and the hub, so the interface and the hub, are connected together. All we need to do is remove this back panel off of our hub, our SoundHeart hub, and we're just going to come in and we're going to find this wireless button and the wireless speaker buttons right here on the sides, and we're just going to press and hold those buttons simultaneously. So just press and hold those simultaneously for several seconds, and then after that it will start flashing. The SoundHeart will start flashing, and it will be reset, and then you'll get the setup screen will appear on the screen. The first time setup screen should appear on the screen, and then you can go ahead and set this up like it's brand new.